Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove apps Microsoft Store. We will start by opening the Windows Store. When you do, click on the option, Library. Now click on the button, Sort and Filter. There, activate the line, Show Installed Products Only. This allows you to see the apps installed from the store. Now in the search box, enter Programs. Open, add, or remove programs. You will locate the app to remove, click on the three dots, and then select Uninstall. Confirm this by clicking on Uninstall again. Just wait for this application to be uninstalled from the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.